Windset Farms was founded in 1996 with the construction of a 4-acre greenhouse in Abbotsford, British Columbia. After receiving a marketing agency, allowing them to establish their own brand in British Columbia in 2003, their success quickly skyrocketed within the produce industry. With the rapid expansion of new vegetable production in California combined with the existing greenhouse production in British Columbia, Windset Farms now operates more than 240 acres of sustainable, controlled environment agricultural space.
Windset was founded by my brother and I over 25 years ago and has developed into one of the largest and most technically advanced greenhouse operations in North America. Our vision is to be the dynamic industry leader providing healthy, nutritious, sustainably grown produce that meets the demands of health-conscious consumers, using modern horticultural techniques and through extensive use of technology managed by the best team possible. It really is the intersection of horticulture, technology, and people.
The climate in Santa Maria is probably one of the best climates in the world for greenhouse farming. It really doesn't get very hot there, relatively speaking. There's a lot of sunshine. We're in California. It's just a great area to grow greenhouse vegetables.
We are strategically located between the two largest markets in California, the LA Basin and the San Francisco Bay Area, and over 125 million consumers live within a 48-hour drive of this facility. Being so close to these markets ensures that the product we deliver to our customers is consistently fresh and is of the highest quality and flavor.
We're usually within 2 to 4 hour drive of our biggest customers and have the ability to actually provide product to our customers year round, which is the most important thing for us and for our customers, that they can rely on our product on a year-round basis.
We are passionately committed to delivering the highest quality produce to our customers year-round while operating in the most sustainable way possible, ranging from tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, lettuce, specialties, and organics. Windset develops deep, long-lasting relationships with our customers. We listen intently and are flexible in fulfilling their needs, such as developing new product varieties, as well as innovative and sustainable packaging solutions.
We're able to provide product very quickly within a day or even 12-hour turnaround after harvest directly into our customers. And so they get the freshest, best quality product possible. That's a huge advantage for Windset to be responsive to our customers' needs.
We're maintaining the quality in the greenhouse through precision irrigation and fertigation, keeping everything as uniform and precise as possible. We can grow warm season, high value crops like tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers all year long, 365 days a year by maintaining optimum temperatures and humidities within the greenhouse.
This new technology, compared to conventional greenhouses, give a much more even climate because we have more tools to make it even. We can cool the air, we can heat up the air, we can humidify the air or dehumidify the air. So in this technology, we have a lot more tools to give the plants the climate they need. In this one compartment, 8-acre compartment, you're looking at about 100,000 plants, and they pretty much all look the same. There's no big difference between plants. So that's very good for the evenness of the production, the quality.
We're one of the only farms in probably the United States, particularly, that treat our water the way we do. And that's with reverse osmosis, ultra, and microfiltration. We use ozone to treat the water to make sure that we can not only keep the water clean for our plants, but also have it at the right chemistry so that it maximizes the potential for the roots to be able to produce the best possible quality fruit.
When we give water to the plants, whatever the plants don't drink up goes to big holding tanks. From there it gets disinfected and reused. So it's a totally closed system. We don't waste any water.
Sustainability is this. It's the farming of the future. It's responsible use of our resources to grow as much food as possible without harm to the environment. And I think we do that here. We employ the latest technologies to increase uniformity and precision. And by doing that, we grow more produce per unit area using 28 times less water to comparable field crops.
ESG, or environmental, social, and governance, as it's known, isn't something new to Windset. We've been living it for years. evolving best practices in areas of environmental stewardship, sustainability, social responsibility, and corporate governance. In our growing operations, we efficiently utilize as much of what Mother Nature provides, including maximizing natural sunlight, recycling water, a precious resource, growing an organic coconut husk fiber, and using non-GMO seeds to grow our products in an ecological way. We avoid the use of pesticides through an extensive IPM, or what's known as Integrated Pest Management Program. These natural predators keep undesirable pests under control in a natural and healthy way. Windset has been recognized by regional water agencies as having developed best-in-class water management through our innovative recirculation, reduction, and beneficial reuse programs. We use renewable energy sources, solar from our large photovoltaic solar array here in California, as well as hydroelectric power in British Columbia to run our facilities, further reducing our environmental footprint. And when we do need to use natural gas, we capture the CO2 and utilize it in the greenhouses to feed to the plants to achieve even higher yields. When compared to conventional field farming, we grow as much as 20 to 30 times more product in the same area, using less water, less natural resources, and with significantly less environmental impact to water and soil quality. Our 168 acres of controlled environmental space yields the same volume of produce grown on a 3,000-acre field farming operation. We are constantly optimizing our operations to be more sustainable, always on the lookout for technology that help us achieve those goals, including the introduction of new packaging solutions that are more environmentally friendly. By deploying the latest in technology in combination with extensive horticultural growing experience and skill, we provide the perfect climate and conditions for our plants to produce perfect-looking, tasty, and nutritious fruit and vegetables with superb shelf life, all done in a sustainable manner. This is a pillar of our work environment and culture. One way we do this is through our membership in the Equitable Food Initiative, also known as EFI. The EFI program ensures best practices in food safety are delivered across the supply chain. EFI ensures employees are treated fairly and experience a safe and healthy work environment, and also ensures employees are engaged to identify problems and create solutions that drive business efficiencies across the organization.
We're using technology nowadays to make sure that we can be as efficient as possible. One of the things that we have in the greenhouses nowadays are autonomous carts. The harvesting crews are picking tomatoes or cucumbers or peppers. We have a cart that will autonomously bring the product to the pack shed to be graded, packed, and finally sold. We try to automate as much as we can within the packing operations. It's all tied together with multiple systems for inventory tracking and logistics to get that product to market as soon as possible. So it's like a symphony where you've got the growing operations talking to the packing operations, talking to logistics and sales to get that product to market as soon as possible.
Windset has been advancing and perfecting controlled environment agriculture, or CEA as it's known, for decades. This includes substantial investments in the last 5 years in artificial intelligence and innovative indoor cultivation of various crops using LED lighting.
Santa Maria itself is actually going to be the core facility for Windset Farms. We have the ability to build more greenhouses there, develop more products. We even have strawberries being produced there on site without the use of any pesticides. And we're very proud of being able to provide new products to market and are excited to develop more and more items that consumers enjoy. Certainly we want to be stewards of the land as farmers, and so it's high on our priority list to ensure that we maintain that outlook, that model.